Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we shall draw a beautiful kids juice glass. Get your pencils and paper ready. Start with a simple oval shape for the glass. Add a curved line for the top rim. Draw two circles for the eyes. Give your glass a smiling mouth. Now add cute rosy cheeks. Draw a heart and straw sticking out from the side. Add some details to the straw. Let's make the juice inside. Draw a wavy line. Fill it with your favorite juice color. Add bubbles floating on top. Draw small hands holding the glass. Give your drawing some adorable fingers. Add a pattern or stickers to the glass. Don't forget the table underneath. Add some crumbs or spilled juice for realism. Now let's add some shading for depth. Shade the sides of the glass lightly. Make the shadows darker underneath. Add highlights to the top and sides. Blend the shading with your work so far. Now let's add a background. Remember, art is all about having fun. Take your time and enjoy the process. Add any extra details or decorations you like. Maybe a cut, wrinkle, sparkles to make it magical. Add some final touch to make it pop. Sign your name proudly at the bottom. Give yourself a round of applause. Thank you so much for watching this video.